I'm going to show you how I made this mask in like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Just a sec. Put it over. Okay. So it's not as good as a N95, but they say we don't need that. But basically, okay, not bad. Basically, all I did is I found some tights. I cut them, and you can make it nice. I actually made 3. So this one, I just made it a little nicer with some curved edges. So literally, this is just the tights. I cut them, and so it's this end. I'm going to tell you what this is in a second. But basically, I couldn't even find any good scissors, so I could have done a better job. But basically, I did this, and then I cut out the one end, and then I folded this over. Okay, I folded over, and then I just did a cut for your ear, and I did it on both sides. So basically, it looks like this, right? Pretty easy. And then what I read online was that cotton is better for germs. I am not a medical person, so I'm just telling you what I've read and what I've done. And all I did then is I read that vacuum bags actually are a great filter. So we happened to find some vacuum bags because we've had a Dyson for quite a long time, but some reason we kept these. And so all I did was cut it and cut a piece out. And it actually happened to be the same size as in here. And then I just put it inside. Okay. So this one's got a filter inside. And then I guess we would just take the vacuum bag out and then wash these. And again, this one is a little bit different. I mean, it looks the same. It just looks nicer because it's got that rounded edge where I didn't do it on the first one. Okay. So it's pretty cool, fast way. If you don't have access to any kind of mask, which we don't, we've been looking for weeks now. Yeah, hope that helped. I'm sure everyone's got some spare tights that they can use, and it was really easy to do. All right, comment, let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I did it more in slow motion, okay? So basically, again, it's just a tight. So you cut one end, and then I'm going to cut the other end. Then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to cut the other end. I can't show you exactly. Wearing black and also cutting on black is probably not a good idea. But you'll get the gist of this. It's so easy. Easy for me to say, right? And then you just cut it across. All right, so I'm going to cut it across. I'll cut this, so I cut that. And then I'll cut the same side, pulling one side, right? So then you just pop this over. That's the easiest way. Just pop it over, and then I do a little cut. So this is your ear hole. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe I'll do it this way. Okay, that's your ear hole. You could be way, way fancier than me. I am just trying to make some masks. Okay, and then again, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to cut a little ear hole in the middle. I'm not going to get points for beauty, but I'm going to take my glasses off. Basically, that's it. So, oh my goodness, my hair keeps getting in the way. Okay, now it's wrapped around my ear. That's good. Okay, there. Okay, so another mask done in like not very long. And then I would take the one part, not both, it's too thick, but one part of the vacuum bag and put it into here. And then that's it. And we're good to go and be safe. So there you go. Enjoy.